In today's video, we're going to learn how you can unmute someone's notes on Instagram on both iPhone or Android devices. So if you've muted notes from some person by accident or on purpose, but you now changed your mind and need to unmute them, then this video is for you. The first thing that we need to do in order to unmute someone's notes is to simply go over to the Instagram profile of the person whose notes you've muted. Let's say I've muted Brad Pitt's notes, and I want to see what Brad's sharing on his Instagram notes, so I have to unmute them. I've opened his profile, and in order to unmute his notes, I will first click on this little following button with the little arrow next to it, and this little menu will show up over your screen with a couple of different options. We have to select this mute option right here, and that will open another section in Instagram where we have a couple of different options for muting someone's posts, stories, or notes. The first two options don't interest us because we want to unmute the notes for this person. If you want to unmute them, then you have to make sure that this little switch next to the notes option is disabled, or it's turned off. It's currently enabled for me, which means that the notes for this person are muted, and I can't see when the person shares something on their notes. So just make sure that you turn this off, and the notes will be unmuted. You also have this notes on posts and reels, which is a new feature, but if you've muted them also, you can unmute them by disabling the switch. And that's essentially it. When you now go over to your Instagram DMs and scroll through the notes, you should be able to see what the person is sharing because we had unmuted them. But if you still don't see the notes from this person, it just means that they haven't shared anything today on their Instagram notes, so when they do share something, you will be able to see it. If you need more Instagram or similar social media videos like this one, then please check out the playlist from the description of this video and subscribe to our channel because it would really help us out. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.